A common question that we get asked before we start a paver driveway is how much damage is going to be done to my yard that surrounds the driveway. This concern is completely legitimate. A paver driveway installation has multiple moving parts, including excavation, preparation, installation, and cleanup. We do our very best to ensure that we make minimal damage to your lawn, but with that being said, you can expect your lawn to endure some changes. As materials are being delivered, we do try and place these pavers in areas that will be less damaging. But if we have little access, you may need to replace the grass or landscape in those areas once the pallets are removed. As we lay the new driveway and cut along the edging, we like to tell our clients that there is a potential that the landscaping that was around the perimeter of your driveway can be disturbed. Our priority is to ensure that the installation occurs with as minimal damage as possible. So when you are prepping for a new driveway, keep these things in mind so that you can have your landscaper available after installation to touch up your yard.